Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be taking a look at how you can use a link tree and what's basically a link tree. So, Linktree is a free premium social media referencing landing page that is developed by Alex Anthony and the Nick Hermes, headquartered in Sydney, Australia, that was founded in 2016, and it serves a landing page for a person of company that enter associated links in the social media, which really allows linking to multiple sites. The sites were inspired by the developer online with social media that cannot allow multiple hyperlinks. Linktree was established in 2016 out of annoyance regarding social media that doesn't allow multiple hyperlinks in profile. These sites were created in only 6 hours. Okay, that sounds amazing. It is reporting to have gained 3,000 users overnight, which caused by the service to crash to overload. In 2018, Instagram banned the site due to spams, although it was lifted on Instagram issued an apology. In December 2018, the number of users reached 1 million users and 3 million by the end of 2019. By October 20, Linktree has gained 8 million users. As of March 21, the number of users recently nearly gone up to 16 million. And in August 2050, Linktree announced the acquisition of SmartLink, providing that become one-stop shop for musicians seeking to monetize their art. So Linktree is a free premium services and it's free, but also offers a pro subscription launch in April 2017, which gives more benefits such as customization options, more detailed analytics, and a sign up integration. The removal of the Linktree logo. Users can also upload as many links as they wish despite not subscribing. Pro Analytics allow users to view their link through rates. Both offering allow users to create a personalized and customizable page that houses all social media links and offices. Website Linktree also partner with Amazon, allowing users to upload their Amazon store profile as an affiliate link. So in 2019, Linktree included Upstart, which is more encouraging young startup promising to become a great companies of tomorrow. In March 2020, the first company placed Linktree as fourth place in the most innovative companies of 2020. So let's get into it. What is basically that platform and how we're gonna go with that? Linktree, everything you are in one simple link. Join 30 million plus user people and share everything you create, curate, and sell online, all from in one buy. Okay. So we're gonna log in later. You will see a different platform. It seems very pretty. Okay. Um, Create and customize your bio link in minutes. Connect your socials, website, share videos, music, podcasts, events, and more. It all comes together in a link in a bio landing page designed to convert. Okay, get started for free. Okay, and share your link tree anywhere you like. Add your unique link tree URL to all the platform and places you find your audience. Then you can use your QR code to drive your offline traffic online. Analyze your audience and keep them engaged. Track your engagement over time, monitor revenue, and learn what's converting your audience. Make informed updates on the fly to keep them coming back. So these are trusted by the 30 million models. Okay, you will see or these are different celebrities and channel HBO, CNN, and a lot of different channels. Okay, share your contact in limitless ways to your link tree. Okay, these are the products you can sell and buy and collect payments over that. Fast, friendly, and powerful. Okay, seamlessly connect your link tree with the tools you already use. Customize your link tree to match your brand, make it feel like you, and manage updates and schedule connect with your quick easy editor. As feature in Linktree simplifies the process for creators to share multiple parts of themselves in one inclusive link. Okay, so these are the different questions. If you got anyone, just simply go with that and jumpstart your corner of the internet today. Okay, and these are the last different policies and help centers. You're gonna go with that. So over that, on the top of that, you will see the different options marketplace, discover pricing and launch. You can go with that platform, and first simply go on, sign up. If you have already have account, you can go with login, and if you don't have it, you can sign up with zero cost free. So this is how you can look over that platform, and once you able to do that, you simply sign up that platform and get benefits from that platform. And if you like that video, make sure you subscribe this video, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks so much. Bye bye.